What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Meehow Builds. In this episode, we will be welding in the brackets for the reservoirs for the Bilstein coilovers, as well as finishing up the front big brake kit, getting the car on the ground, getting it loaded up on a trailer, because I am moving to Idaho. So enjoy this episode, and I'll see you in Idaho. We're gonna do the rest of the holes, finish it up, and take this over to the machine shop to get the rotor hats re-drilled. Alright, so after grinding everything down to be almost flat, I'm going to have the machine shop mill everything to be completely even, and then they're going to re-drill it to be 5 by 120 bolt hole spacing, as well as widen the center hub hole. Alright, that worked out. We've got the reservoir mounted up, the suspension is on, one of the two, it's on. And it looks awesome. I'm happy with how this turned out. Alright, so I've gotten my rotor hats back in. They're all machined flat. You can see the terrible job I did welding, and he didn't want to remove any extra material, so left the original thickness, but it is done. The hole spacing is correct now. The center bore is correct as well, I think. Yeah, buddy, looks like that's going to work. And to assemble these guys and help me move, I got my buddy Connor here. Hello. So we're gonna get started on putting these guys together, and then we're gonna get the car on the ground and out of here hopefully soon. guys are all together. There we go, ready to go back on the car.
out there.
All right, so I forgot to compensate or think about this through all the way, and these wheels actually don't clear those brakes even with the 10mm spacer that I have. So I need to get some 20mm spacers somehow quickly because I need this car out of here. But for now, I need to make space in the garage, so we're gonna put it down with the jack and we're gonna roll it out there, and everything's gonna be great. All right, so we can't put wheels on. I'm gonna lift it by the subframe and roll it out for now because I gotta take that one to Idaho first. That one, that one. Do it on the first trip of the trailer using Sequoia, and then we'll be taking this one on the second trip. Let's get to it. E30's on the trailer. A little squat, gonna fill up the airbags. Next time we pick up that guy. All right, we're all loaded up. We got a whole bunch of plants and important things. Plants, important things.
Important things.
Important things, lots of stuff. Why does this look like it puts a filter on me? I feel like I'm wearing makeup. I just have naturally rosy cheeks. Anyways, all the stuff, time to leave for Idaho. First stop for gas. Stop for yet another P brake because that's all we do. Okay. P brake. It's kind of beautiful in the middle of nowhere. Getting some gas. We're somewhere, middle of nowhere. There's one pump. It's pretty great. It's cold, 27 degrees. All right, so we are 6,000 feet up in the air. It started snowing, yay. When we were driving, we couldn't see a damn thing. We pulled over for a second, and yeah, look, it's just snow on the ground. Anyways, we're gonna get back in the car now. It's cold. We're gonna try to get off this mountain. All right, trip number 1 is successful. E30 is in the garage. Sequoia is now retired from duty, and I have to drive all the way back using a Penske truck and go get that Mini Cooper. Yay! Snowing again. This is gonna go nowhere because I don't post stuff like this. Well, maybe I will. Maybe I won't. It back. We made it back. And now we get to go drive to Idaho again and take that guy this time. How much fun. How much fun. All right, so
the wheels didn't fit on the Mini. So we got some extended wheel studs and spacers. So hopefully now the brakes will actually clear the calipers will clear the Barakis. The calipers will clear the wheels. Wheels will clear the calipers. There we go. Oh boy. Oh boy, see. Is the car high enough? Oh boy. Definitely need some longer studs.
It's still hitting the wheel.
Is it really? Holy shit.
It's still hitting the wheel.
So it's all on. Wheels are on. We just need some little wheel arches to finish that. Suspension is there. Lots of clearance. See, clearance. Sweet. Now we got to get it on a trailer. All right, I'm sick, but we have me load up on the trailer, and we have some very special guests here going with us on this trip back to Idaho. We have Connor, obviously, who's helping out, and then we have cats. Oh, that's the welcoming song. Hey. Yeah, no.
So that's it. I'm in Idaho. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. I've had a few of you guys ask me about the R56 to R60 spindle adapters for the front. If you are interested in getting some of those, send me a message on Instagram at Meehow Builds. I will probably have to put together a little group buy for it to make sense and be cost effective. So yeah, just shoot me a message if you're interested. I hope to get more progress done on this car relatively soon. I just need to get a job and a whole bunch of adulting things, because that's life. But yeah, I'll have more stuff for you guys soon.